Hey, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Becky from Patchwork Posse, and today I am going to be opening up and sharing with you what I have gotten from Micheal Miller Fabrics. So if you didn't know, this year is 2023, and I am very excited to be part of their ambassador team program, whatever you call it, for Micheal Miller Fabrics. All right, so let's take a look at what is inside this month's box. So, I love this. This is Coco Coral Reef. So this is a fat quarter pack. It looks like the colors range from blues, purples, pinks, oranges to yellows. It's got a little bit of a print, which is actually perfect. So these are great basics for fillers whenever you need a background or a complementary color without a lot of introducing new colors. Like it doesn't have a flower print or anything else that kind of sometimes messes your patterns up or your designs that you're sewing with because it introduces new colors. So we've got the Coco Coral Reef pack. Along with that is the Coco Rainforest pack. So this is the same print, as you can see, with the dark and then with a teal color, but this is kind of, I guess, the cool colors. So we've got the teal to the green, to the tans, browns, grays, and blacks. So both of those are wonderful. Super excited about giving those a try. Adding to them to my quilts. So really, I could either make a whole quilt using this, or I can just stick them in as I need to fill up some color space. So super excited about that. There's also, I've got a whole bolt. Surprising, this is awesome. And I don't have much to say about this other than you can never have enough background white fabric. So that is definitely going into some quilts that I have planned this year. And I also have a whole bolt of the black. So this box is really about the basic colors, using Micheal Miller's as fillers, as extra pieces, whatever I need. I'm not typically a black kind of background kind of quilt person, but I do have one planned for the fall. Super excited about sharing that one. And then there is the Cotton Couture, which these are solid colors. So really quickly, we've got the pinks to the beiges, like the yellow tone beige, the cream tone beige, the pink tone beige, and then you've got the browns and kind of like the chocolate, the deep chocolate colors, which are fabulous. So these, along with the Coco lines, they are perfect for adding any kind of extra little pieces that I need throughout the quilt without adding any additional colors into it, patterns, or whatever. So thanks to Micheal Miller, I'm super excited about giving these fabrics a try, and watch this space for new projects, tutorials coming up using this fabric during the year. Thanks for joining me. Click the subscribe button to get notified for new videos, and visit patchworkposse.com for more tutorials.